Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to teach you exactly how to connect a one-gang switch using this diagram. So let's begin the connection. So when you look here, you can see that here is the diagram of a one-gang switch. When you look here, you can see that here is my common terminal. Here you see L1 and here you see L2. If you look this back of one-gang switch also, you can see that here is a common terminal, here is L1 and here is L2. So if you want to connect this one-gang switch, if you want to use this one-gang switch to control light bulb, what you will do is from here, when you look here, you can see that here is my live wire and this is my neutral wire. You can see that I connect my live wire from here to common terminal of my switch, that is here. Then from L1 I connect my light bulb. Then from here I connect my neutral from here to my bulb. So now if you want to connect this one-gang switch, what you will do is from your breaker here, you connect your live wire from your breaker to this common terminal. This is how you will do it. From your breaker to this common terminal here. Then from L1 of your switch, that is here, from this L1 you connect your bulb to this L1. Then you connect your neutral wire. That's how to do this connection. So let's go ahead and connect it. So I'm going to start by connecting my live wire from my breaker to common terminal of my switch. So let's go ahead and connect it. Here is my breaker, so let me connect it. So now this wire, now I'm going to connect this live wire to common terminal of my switch. You can see that here is the common terminal, and here also you can see that here also is the common terminal of our switch. So I'm going to lose here and connect this live wire to this common terminal. So you can see here I connect it, I put it this way and tight it. So I tight it this way. Then now, so now we have connected our live wire from our breaker to common terminal of our switch. So now we are going to connect our light bulb to L1 of our switch. So when you look here, you can see that here is written L1. So let's go ahead and connect our bulb to L1 of our switch. So let me lose it down. Let me loosen it and put my bulb here. So now we are done with the connection. You can see that from L1 we'll connect our live wire here. Our live wire from here to common terminal of our switch. Then from L1 of our switch we connect to our light bulb. Here also you can see that from our breaker here we'll connect our live wire from our breaker to common terminal of our switch. You can see the common terminal here. Then from L1 of our switch here we connect to our light bulb. So now what remains now is our neutral. So we are going to connect our neutral from this neutral connector to our bulb. So let's go ahead and connect it. So you can see here is my neutral wire. I'll connect it from my bulb here to here. So let's put it. So connect it this way from here like this, from here to our neutral line here. So now we are done with the connection, so let's go ahead and test it. So I on my breaker and you can see that our bulb turns on, and you can now use this switch to control it. You can see it turns off, it turns on. So this is how to connect a one-gang switch. So thanks so much for watching, and please, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow us for more videos. So thanks.